Hey guys, today we're going to change the oil in this 2005 Chevy Uplander. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button for me. Comment below, subscribe if you want to. Also check out the links in the description below to some Amazon products. First thing we're going to do is jack up the vehicle. Doesn't matter if you do the passenger or the driver's side. Just jack it up a little bit so you can slide underneath the vehicle to get to the drain plug. We are underneath the van here. And this is your drain plug. It's 13 millimeter, at least on mine. So you're going to take that off and get your drain pan here ready. And take your screw out, bolt out. And then, whoop, just like that. So then you're going to drain all that oil out. Okay, while that's draining, right here is your oil filter. So you need to take your oil filter off, and this is going to leak some oil. So you probably want to pull your pan over. And you might want to get a big set of channel locks or something to get this off if you can't get it by hand. Sometimes, oh, I might be able to get this one by hand. Sometimes oil change places put these things on and they are just really stinking tight. So if you can get this off by hand, so much the better. But you can see how that's leaking oil right there. It's a real mess. But it is what it is. Alright, so what I do here, this is kind of a bonus, you don't have to do this. But I just kind of pour some oil in like this. Fill it right up. But this is not optional. What you need to do here is get some of this oil and wipe it on the O-ring, and this keeps your O-ring from sticking to the adapter the next time you change your oil. Helps your O-ring come off nice. Alright, so then you can fill this the rest of the way up if you want or not, it doesn't matter. Alright, so we got our new filter turned back on there. You want to turn these about, once it starts getting tight, then you want to go 3/4 of a turn farther. So 3/4 of a turn past tight. And if you're satisfied with how much oil has come out, which I am, it's just dripping now, put your drain plug back in and torque it back down. You don't have to over tighten it, just get it tight so it's not going to leak. You don't need to use like He-Man force or anything like that. Usually what I do, just kind of go like this and then just give it a nice little jerk like that, and then it's good. Alright, now we're going to come over here, remove the jack stand, and lower your vehicle down to the ground so that it's level. Alright, now we're going to pop the hood here. This is your oil filter cap, or oil filler cap right here. Just take that off, set it up there. Put your oil, or your funnel in here. And then you're going to fill this up with oil about, I believe the spec is 4 quarts, but you're going to fill it up and then pull out your stick here, wipe it off, check the level. And then if you're within the fill or the safe zone there, which is these little holes there, you can see the little holes in this cross markings there. Start the vehicle up, let it run for 10 or 15 seconds, shut it off, come check the oil level again, top it off if you need to, and then you're good to go. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, comment below, subscribe if you want to, and remember to check out those links in the description below. Really helps me out a lot. Have a good one, guys.